This week on 3D Printed Soup, what do you get if you cross a pumpkin with a 3D printed puzzle? You'll find out right after this. Hello fellow makers and welcome back to 3D Printed Soup. I love Halloween and I like the pumpkins in Halloween, and there's so many pumpkin related 3D printing projects out there, it's great. Last week we did a 3D printed skull pumpkin lantern that sort of flashes on and off, and I thought, you know what, this week, as it's almost the final week and then we've got one print left on Halloween, I'm going to do another 3D printed pumpkin, but this one with a twist. Literally, it's a gear 3D printed pumpkin, and yep, we're going to see how this thing turns out. It's a wonderful print by these guys right here, and yeah, it's a pumpkin with built-in gears that sort of twists and turns and just looks absolutely fantastic. So stick with us while we 3D print ourselves a really cool 3D printed geared pumpkin. How many times can I say pumpkin in one sentence? But then again, it is Halloween, so I think I'm allowed. If you haven't liked, subscribe to the channel, give us a click, give us a like, give us a subscribe, helps the channel out, helps us grow. Welcome to the 3D printed family, which is 3D Printed Soup. Don't forget to sell your pumpkin futures before Halloween. Now, let's get on and print ourselves a geared 3D printed pumpkin. Let's give this a try. Oh, and yeah, this thing is printed out amazingly. I love the way you twist it around, it all just spins. It's really cool. Such a complicated print, but I absolutely love it. It goes all the way around. It's hard to tell without catching your fingers in it. And it's back into a pumpkin again. And yeah, absolutely love this thing. I'm looking forward to painting it and sticking it on the shelf. Fantastic print. Thank you to the guys who actually created this. I'm not quite sure how the hell you go about actually designing and creating this, which is probably why I'm a printer and not a designer. But yeah, I really enjoy printing and making this. It's very, very cool. Thanks for watching 3D Printed Soup. Only one more print till Halloween, and that's a special one for tomorrow. I'm doing a resin print this time. It's about 14 hours long, so it's printing as we speak. And yeah, I'm looking forward to showing you guys what I have printed out and where it came from. Thanks for watching 3D Printed Soup. Stay happy, stay safe, keep pumpkin.